Hi again. So, good morning, good evening, or maybe good afternoon, depending on when you're watching this video. This is a short video and to show you a really cool but and simple function that Google has to offer. Many of us in the day-to-day, we have a long email list of either customers or maybe a list of employees or maybe a list of friends that we want to invite to a party that we're having. So Google has a formula that basically helps us check or double check, right, our guest list or email list to see if we have accurate contacts or not. So all this formula is it's called is email, and you can mark the cell with the email, and it tells you if it's true or false, right? So you could see, for example, here we are missing first the first portion of the email, so it's marking it as false. Here we don't have an email, so it's also false. And basically, it will go through all your list, and it recognizes emails that are set wrong, and you can easily validate your list to make sure that it is okay, and you can send out, and it will actually reach the people that you want. Let's just add one more thing here that I have in my other video, conditional formatting. So let's do if it's equal to false. I want it to be red. Great. So yeah, this is just a short video in case you were working a lot with emails and are looking to make it more efficient. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.